I'm sure you all must have heard about Google Translate. It's a free website that helps you translate text into different languages. But did you guys know that you can actually make good money just by using Google Translate? You must be wondering, how? So today, I'm going to show you how you can make money from Google Translate by just following a few simple steps. So make sure to watch the video until the end so you're not missing out on anything important. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy such content. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So before talking about how you can do it, let's take a moment to find out how much money you can actually make from this. On average, you can make around $28 every 10 minutes. So if you're making, let's suppose $25 per 10 minutes, then 6 times 25 is around $150. In short, you can make $150 in just 1 hour by using Google Translate. Now, if you dedicate like 4 hours every day for a week, you're making $600 from this free method. Now this is not going to be one of those transcribing services, nor is it an article rewriting service. The fact that you can do this multiple times is what makes it so interesting. So let's move on to the first step. The first thing that you're going to do now is go to Google Translate and make yourself familiar with how this website works. On the left-hand side, you enter the words that you want to translate. In most cases, the language you're typing in gets auto-detected. You're then going to choose that language that you want your text to get translated into. For example, I choose French, and as you can see here, I've entered hi, and the website translated into French, ciao. Honestly, it is a very simple process, and I hope you've understood. Now, the next thing you're going to do is head over to cpagrip.com. I'll mention the link down in the description box for your ease. CPA Grip is one of my favorite CPA affiliate marketing websites out there because they have instant approval along with plenty of work opportunities. So once you're on cpagrip.com, you're going to click on Register and fill in the details that have been asked, such as your name, email address, and a few other things as needed. The best part about CPA Grip is that they show you how much money other people are making along with their usernames. And when you see the amount of money other people are making, it actually motivates you to work harder. It's mind-blowing to see that people out there have earned like up to $200,000 to $500,000. And remember, these are all verified earnings. Anyways, now once you've signed up, you're going to have your very own dashboard. So what you're going to do is come on the left-hand side where it says Offer Tools, and you want to click on My Offers. Now since you are all just getting started, I'd like to share a secret weapon that I liked to use when I first started out. So, what I would basically do is not use the English-speaking offers because no doubt they are good if you have a lot of volume traffic, but what you're gonna prefer is small volume of traffic from quality countries. And trust me, it does make a lot of difference. So let's suppose you enter the United States and hit enter. You're gonna see various offers, but a common thing you're gonna note here is that all these offers are paying approximately the same amount of money, which is around $2 to $3. Now there's nothing wrong with doing these if you like, but the thing is, the most you're going to get paid out of these offers is $5, so you're going to have to do a lot of them to make good money. On the other hand, if you opt for higher paying offers, you can earn the same amount of money with little effort. So suppose you go to a country and search Italy and sort the payouts. You can see that you're able to make around $30 with just one offer. Let us know in the comment section down below, which one do you prefer? The expensive ones or the cheap ones? Now the reason why people don't promote offers from other country offers is because they don't speak those languages, but the truth is, you can promote any offers that you want, be it Italian or French. I don't speak Italian or French, but when I started out, I used to promote both. Anyways, what you gotta do now is click on any offer that you like, and it's gonna show you all the details, such as the date it was added on, the payout, and the task is to subscribe for like $1 or something, and you're gonna receive at least $28. So, this is all you really have to do. Another thing that you should pay attention to is the tracking domain. In the tracking domain option, you're going to select motefiles.com from the various options available. This is going to be your affiliate link and you're going to copy it. The next thing to really maximize your earnings is to go to ezlinks.io. It's a link shortener that you're going to use for Italian offers to mainly get Italian traffic. So what you're going to do is copy your affiliate link and paste it in your EasyLinks dashboard to shorten it. Write down your alias, could be anything related to the offer, and hit shorten and you're going to receive a shortened link. Now this is the link that you'll be sending all the traffic to. Now all you have to do is send traffic here from Italy and you are going to be getting payouts from EasyLinks, which is pretty much just from the visitors and from everyone completing the Italian offer. So of course, not everyone is going to complete it, but I will show you how to get at least 900 to 1,000 visitors. But before, let's suppose you have 950 visitors. At that rate, approximately 10 of them are going to complete the offer, meaning 950 into 0.1, which is 95 people, and if you multiply 95 with $28, that's over $2,660 that you can possibly make. Sounds too good to be true, right? And I'm gonna be honest here, you might not make this much, but even if you make like not $2,660, but just 10% of it, which is like $266, it's actually really good. So now I'm going to tell you about the website that you're going to receive all the traffic from. And as you can see here, it says, "Congratulations, you have earned $1,000 for logging in today as part of the week bonus." Now I'm receiving this because I've been working for a while now. Now these are traffic credits, and the name of the website is called Traffic Ad Bar. So what you're going to do now is just add your easylinks.io affiliate link that you shortened and click on Add Website. You're then going to add title, add line 1, and add line 2. This is where Google Translate comes into play. So you're going to use the offer name now. Just copy it and paste it in the left side and translate it into Italian since our offer was Italian. After clicking Translate, you're going to get the translated version. Just copy that and put it in the title box. It might not be the best translation, but it surely makes people understand what I mean because I've been using it for a while now and it works perfectly fine for me. Anyways, using the same way, you're going to add both the ad lines. You're then going to select the language of your ad and web page, add the country. Now as you can see, you get 1 extra credit. So if you have thousands of these credits, then that's 1,000 visitors from Italy. You're now going to click on the save option, and this is going to finalize your ad and post it. So for every single person who completes it, you're going to get $28. It's very simple. All you got to do is recreate ads for multiple offers just by leveraging Google Translate and earn money. With that being said, this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.